In a world of constant motion, one nation has mastered the art of perfect harmony. This is Japan, an intricate tapestry of ancient tradition and futuristic precision. At its heart lies shitsuke, a deep-rooted discipline that defines every action from the craftsman's workshop to the orderly cues of the morning commute. It is the invisible force that keeps a nation of millions in perfect sync. Then there is reigi, the art of respect. More than just a bow, it is a profound acknowledgement of the other. It's about maintaining social harmony, putting the collective before the individual to ensure a peaceful society. This lifestyle is a balance of contrasts, the frantic energy of the city met with the absolute stillness of the temple. Discipline begins early. In Japanese schools, students don't just learn mathematics, they learn responsibility. From a young age, osoji, or cleaning time, teaches that everyone is a guardian of their shared environment. This foundation evolves into a legendary work ethic. Ganbaru, to do one's best and persevere through hardship. It is seen in the shokunin, the master artisans who spend decades perfecting a single craft. Even a simple cup of tea becomes a meditative ritual of discipline and grace. Respect is woven into the very fabric of the language. Keigo, honorific speech that defines social boundaries. In the crowded streets, respect is the oil that prevents friction in a high-density world. This respect extends to nature. Shintoism teaches that spirits reside in all things, mountains, trees, and rivers. Modern lifestyle here is a marvel of convenience, yet it never loses its soul. Food is treated with a sacred regard. Itadakimasu, a humble thanks to all that made the meal possible. Life follows the rhythm of the seasons, celebrating the fleeting beauty of Mono no Aware. The discipline of the mind is perfectly captured in Budo, the martial arts of Japan. It's not just about combat. It's about character, self-control, and endless repetition to reach perfection. This care for the collective is seen on the world stage, where fans leave stadiums cleaner than they found them. Purity and cleanliness are values that even extend to the most mundane aspects of public infrastructure. In transportation, safety is a ritual. Conductors use shisa kanko to keep their focus sharp and error-free. The result is a level of punctuality that is envied worldwide. Apologies are issued for delays of mere seconds. Hospitality here is omotenashi, wholehearted service that anticipates a guest's needs before they even arise. It is the small, invisible gestures that create an atmosphere of total comfort and belonging. Even giving a gift is an art. The wrapping is often as important as the object inside, signaling effort and care. In the business world, Meishi Kukan, the card exchange, is a choreographed dance of rank and mutual respect. Lifestyle in Japan often leans toward minimalism, finding beauty and utility in small, efficient spaces. It's about the space between, appreciating the emptiness that allows a single object to shine. This philosophy is carved into their architecture, a harmony of wood, light, and nature. The Karisansui gardens invite contemplation, using simple elements to represent the vastness of the ocean. To understand the present, we must look to the past. Japan's history is a story of isolation and adaptation. The Bushido Code of the Samurai laid the foundation for the discipline and honor seen today. The Meiji Restoration saw a rapid shift from feudalism to a modern global power in just decades. The post-war economic miracle was fueled by collective sacrifice and an unwavering focus on quality. Today, that focus drives innovation. Japan remains a global leader in robotics and green technology. Technology is seamlessly integrated, making life efficient but never losing the human touch. In Kyoto, the ancient heart of Japan, traditions are preserved with a sacred intensity. The world of the geisha is a testament to the enduring power of refined arts and hospitality. In the South, Okinawa teaches us about longevity through ikigai, finding your reason for being. Hokkaido offers a starkly different landscape, where the wild beauty of nature is respected and feared. Osaka is the nation's kitchen, where kuidaore, eating until you drop, is a way of life. Japanese pop culture, from anime to manga, has captured the world's imagination with its depth. The gaming industry here is built on a legacy of creativity and extreme technical precision. Japan faces unique challenges, including a rapidly aging population and a shrinking workforce. Yet, the youth are finding new ways to express their individuality within the framework of tradition. The rigid corporate culture is slowly evolving, with a growing focus on mental health and balance. The role of women is expanding, bringing new perspectives and leadership to every sector. Environmental stewardship is a shared responsibility, from meticulous recycling to green urban design. Even in the densest cities, nature is being brought back into the urban fabric. The level of public safety and trust allows even young children to navigate the world with independence. Community bonds are reinforced through local festivals and a shared sense of belonging. Spiritual practices provide a grounding force in an increasingly fast-paced digital world. Mindfulness is not just a trend, it is a way of seeing the world with clarity and appreciation. Education is a lifelong journey, with people of all ages pursuing mastery of traditional and modern skills. Efforts to preserve cultural heritage are intensive, ensuring that ancient skills are not lost to time. Japan is becoming more open, engaging in a vibrant exchange of ideas and culture with the world. For the traveler, Japan is a land of endless discovery and unexpected kindness. It's the small acts of generosity that often leave the deepest impression on those who visit. As we look to the future, Japan is reimagining the city as a harmonious ecosystem. Innovation is being paired with sustainability to create a resilient and thriving society. The nation's ambitions extend to the stars, contributing to global efforts in space exploration. A new generation of entrepreneurs is emerging, driven by a desire to solve global challenges. The arts are undergoing a rebirth, finding new mediums to tell timeless stories. Japan's legacy of storytelling continues to influence global cinema and literature. The soundscape of Japan is a rich blend of traditional melodies and cutting-edge sound. Japanese fashion continues to be a global icon, blending meticulous craft with visionary design. Architects are creating spaces that are both functional and deeply moving. The focus on health and well-being is a cornerstone of the Japanese lifestyle. Japanese cuisine has become a global standard for quality, health, and artistic presentation. Traditional tea culture is finding new fans and forms around the world. The discipline of martial arts has reached every corner of the globe, teaching focus and respect. Anime has become a shared language for a global generation, fostering empathy and understanding. Japan's innovations are contributing to shared solutions for the world's most pressing problems. At its heart, Japan remains a land of harmony, a place where the past and future meet. It is a society that understands the power of the small, the quiet, and the meticulous. The resilience of the Japanese spirit is seen in their ability to overcome adversity with grace. The lessons of discipline and respect are more relevant today than ever before. Japan offers a blueprint for a world seeking balance in a time of rapid change. The journey of discovery is endless as Japan continues to evolve and inspire. In the stillness, we find the core of a culture that has mastered the art of living well. May the spirit of Japan inspire us all to move through the world with more discipline and respect. For in the heart of the rising sun, we find a light that can guide us all toward harmony. The art of shodo, or calligraphy, is a discipline of focus, where every stroke must be perfect on the first try. In ikebana, the arrangement of flowers is a meditative practice of balance and the appreciation of space. Nagoya stands as the industrial backbone of Japan, where manufacturing precision meets global scale. Understanding Japan requires knowing the balance between hana, one's true feelings, and tatemae, the public face. Inside Japanese culture, a journey into the heart of a nation that continues to inspire the world. Thank you for watching this journey through the soul of Japan. Join us as we continue to seek harmony in our own lives.